Kindly come to internal page number 10. In last paragraph, Exhibit 3 also shows there was no existence of club in the year 1960. No document is filed by plaintiff showing existence of club in the year 1960. On perusal of the evidence of PW1, it could be found that they have not filed any document of adverse possession, even at least any record of rights showing their adverse possession. PW1 himself admitted that there is only Durga Puja which is held by club. There is no other puja held by club. The Durga Puja held by club is with permission of the Honorable High Court, to which it has been clearly stated they would accrue no right. No permanent structure was allowed by the Honorable High Court and this court. From the evidence of PWs, it could be found that the present defendants are residing in the property, so they are in possession. The age of PW1 would be, what you kindly come to page 12, last para. Issue number 3 is whether the plaintiff is having right, title and interest over the suit property.
The right title interest, we are not concerned. Right title interest could not be matured by your welfare position. What about this? From the evidence of PWs, it be found that the present defendants are residing in the suit property, so they are in possession.
And Lordship, present defendant, it's a suit at the instance of my learned friend's client. So you are the defendant.
They are prayer for
Adverse
title by way of
adverse
possession
possession.
has been disbelieved. Right?
My lord,
They failed to establish their title over the property.
my lord.
My simple question is whether they are in possession or not. What about this
It is
finding?
admitted fact. It is admitted fact for PW1.
Lordship,
It's a fact that-
PW1 in his deposition said it is a fact that Rajunath Devnath and Amalnath Devnath reside on suit property plot on one side of the suit property. So it was my client whose presence
What is
is
this recording then? From the evidence of PWs, it could be found the present defendants are residing in the property, so they are in possession.
present defendants means Lordship, defendant
Oh,
in the
sorry.
suit. We are the defendant.
You are the defendant. Sorry.
I-
I was moving. Now, one thing, no claim can be given to them. Since when they are performing Durga Puja?
Lordship, may I be candid to your Lordship? In 2009, there was a revisional application which was moved before this court, where Justice Jyotirmoy Bhattacharya passed an order. That order is, Lordship, very essential. Possibly that order is not before your Lordship.
Oh, two suits means you have also a suit.
Yes, two suits. He sued me Lord declaration of title and injunction against me.
Decreed.
One is abated. No application for setting aside abatement. Another suit was filed. It means for default, no application for restoration.
So there is no two suits are not there.
So only one suit.
Are not
By them.
This
During
Only
the-
one suit by them.
by them. This
during
order
the
is
existence of
important,
those
Lordship.
suits, my Lord, I got the order.
Lordship, directly come
Without claiming any right.
to Lordship, the last paragraph of this order. It's in internal page 4. But since this is a recurring problem, there was a specific application for injunction by us. We preferred this revisional application since the injunction was refused. Now, Lordship, the last paragraph says, but since this is a recurring problem and such problem, in my view, cannot be solved until disposal of the suit. This court, by taking note of the fact that both suits have matured for hearing, requests the learned trial judge to consolidate both the aforesaid suits and dispose both the suits as early as possible, but preferably within a
No,
period
this
of
suit
6
has been,
months.
both suits means
There, at that time, there were two suits.
one by you, one
one
by
by-
his client.
At the instance of Mr. Banerjee's client, it was a suit for
Adverse position, title by adverse position.
and by us, it was a declaration
Of
and
title and permanent
injunction, permanent injunction. Lordship, that suit, both suits were existing at that point of the time when this interim order was passed. Now, Lordship, after this, There was the finding, specific finding.
No, your suit goes, abated,
I
no,
said
so whatever,
later.
whatever. Now his suit has also been dismissed.
Dismissed on
Appeal
merits
is pending.
by judgment.
Appeal is
pending.
pending. Now, what was the occasion for the High Court to grant him for puja?
Yes, that
We
is
are
I'm
today
Lordship,
on-
that's why, Lordship, I will
reading
show
of order.
this 2009, this order was passed. Since 2009 onwards, the Mr. Banerjee's clients, they have tried to delay the entire proceeding. There are findings that they have misused the court's time, precious time, by making several applications.
No,
taking
what
times
happened
and orders.
ultimately? Who got the
So every
permission?
time they used to make the application under 151, they used to get
No, no. The High Court has one occasion granted them to permission for puja there.
That is
conditional.
that is conditional.
1990 onwards.
Lordship, in this order only it is there.
Where is that order?
In the order, in this order, Lordship,
No, show me that order, original order. Where is that order?
Yes, Lordship, kindly come to page 54 first. Order dated, my Lord, 4990. Relevant at page 57.
This was a trial court order.
Before the trial court. 57.
Pending suit in your suit,
In their suit.
in their suit.
Yes. Permission was granted.
Now, High Court order, is there the
High Court order, yes. High Court order, my Lord, your Lordship, kindly come to High Court order, page
There too.
52. Page 52. High Court order 2004. Page
No,
52.
no.
Page 52.
4 2009.
2009.
It is
This
submitted, that
2009.
no, in page 52,
This
for arising out of a suit, appeal was preferred. It is submitted by Mr. Mukherjee, learned advocate for the appellant, that order was obtained without serving copy of the writ application, writ petition to the appellant. It
see
is
this
also
page
submitted
52?
that the plot of land which Durga Puja will be performed belongs to the appellant, and if written permission is sought for by the members of the club, the appellant will grant necessary permission. Such permission is made by the learned advocate for the appellant in presence of his client. It is also submitted that the appellant has no intention to stop puja, but the pandal must be dismantled by so and so date. Lord, accordingly, this has been done. Then, my Lord, your Lordship,
2004.
2004. Then
no,
2009.
2000, then your Lordship kindly come to page 45.
Dismiss হয়ে গেছে।
Page part of all, my Lord, 36.
Dismiss হয়ে গেছে।
Lord, 2011. Page 36, my Lord.
9 as per the
Lord, they are suit.
Lordship, by this time, Lordship, this is 142 suits. It is their suit. And on the basis
Lord,
of the
we shall
order passed by
perform
Justice
it, we shall
Bhattacharya,
remove the
this was-
bamboo scaffolding, my Lord. We shall, we will not claim any equity, any right for the purpose
So-
of performing puja.
Now,
Lord,
because
it's
of-
What
only
is a
one
trial
order.
court? What is a trial court?
Several orders. Trial court, yes, I'm giving to a Lordship, trial court order also. Page 36, Lordship, 2011.
19th September 2024 application of your client in appeal. Where is that?
Now, Lord,
Please
19
show me 19th September 2024 application of your.
yes,
This
19, yes.
83 is the title appeal number.
No, Mr. Chatterjee.
Application is in.
Chatterjee.
Application is.
Judge has disposed of an
This
application.
is 80.
Page.
Page 80, Lordship.
80.
This is the application under section 151.
Yes.
Lordship,
What
kindly
was the
come
prayer?
to page 81.
Sorry. Durga Puja, Lokhe Puja, cultural.
Cultural program, it's a wrong statement they made. There was a direct refusal to perform by the court to conduct cultural program.
Wait.
Lord, cultural program, my Lord, in night during the course of Durga Puja. And we gave an undertaking that we shall remove it, we shall not claim any.
Banerjee, after dismissal of the suit with a specific finding,
Lord, one thing I am drawing your Lordship kind attention.
find out.
May I tell you, Lord, appeal, my Lord, in a swinging pendulum. Lord, Supreme Court held that, my Lord.
Not on that.
No, because, my Lord, that is a question.
You are not in possession. How
Lord,
can you claim for possession?
Lord,
Adverse
Lord,
possession.
right or possession, my Lord, cannot be, my Lord, decided in this proceeding. In this proceeding, my Lord, question is that
If
for the
you-
last
if you invite me on
1990, we
merit,
are getting an order.
on merit, straight
No,
away
no,
rejection.
we are getting,
Just tell me, Durga Puja, how can you organize within these 2-3 days?
yes, that can be done, my
They
Lord.
are organizing it some other places. This
No,
is
no,
nothing
no, no,
but
no,
an
no, no, that is wrong,
attempt-
totally wrong, my Lord, because there was no other field. There, my Lord, we are doing it, my Lord, if your Lordship permits it, but we shall remove it.
They have other places to conduct, Lordship. These are the photographs.
They have the food poverty.
What they are performing it?
They have a place to conduct puja, Kali Puja and others. They have a place.
No,
No, no.
these here Durga Puja they have already organized somewhere.
শুরু করেছে?
No, no,
Huh?
absolutely wrong,
They have.
absolutely
my
wrong, my Lord.
instruction is that they have started to organize somewhere else.
No, no, absolutely wrong, absolutely wrong, my Lord. Otherwise, why should I come here?
Strategy, consider it from this angle. Under the supervision of a special officer, only performance of puja for 5 days without any equity. Remove the pandal there.
Yes, Lord,
Lordship,
Puja-
Think about it.
Lokhi Puja
As a
also.
matter of right, they cannot.
Yes,
No, no Lokhi Pujo. No Lokhi Pujo. Lokhi Pujo, you do and
Lordship-
what is called this?
Lordship,
the-
2-3
what is
days
the
more,
called?
my Lord.
This scheme,
It is a local
scheme
people,
government
Kir Bhandar.
local
do
people,
it.
Lord, local people, Lord,
Lokhi for
There are-
Lokhi Pujo,
no other
Or
place,
Lokhi Puja,
Lord,
you
where
cannot
the
occupy
puja
this.
is being held. Lord, no other place there.
No, no.
Lord, it is public sentiment, my Lord. Lordship kindly, because Lokhi Puja, my
I
Lord,
fail to understand how can you organize within this.
no, that can be done, my Lord. It is possible.
Let them do it, Lordship.
Lord, it
my
is possible.
instruction is
It
that
can be
they
done.
will not. Now, let
Lord,
it be
even my
decided on
learned
merit.
friend is
There
invited.
is another
They are
place.
invited.
There is another place. Only
Yes.
to grab the food poverty.
No,
He
Lord,
cannot
he
grab
is
under the
strict, don't
supervision of a special officer. Every inch he will inspect.
Yes.
Lord,
Lord, whatever condition your Lordship impose, we shall bound by that. We shall abide by that.
Lordship, the only
Lord,
problem
it
is, Lordship.
public sentiment. Lord, favor us
There
here.
are-
He is with you.
No, no. Lordship.
He is not in this matter.
He's there. Means he's with me, but he's also there. He's appearing.
You will be a special officer in this matter. Under your supervision, everything you do it. What they want to get the entire details of the pandal. What be the area they will be covering? Who is the decorator? You have to get a statement from the decorator also that he will remove. All the stringent condition, only 4 days, the decorator and every disclose it to Mr. Banerjee. That these are my decorator, these will be my budget. And where the sponsor is,
Lord, otherwise,
you have
Lord,
taken money.
it would not be possible within a period of
You
2
have
days.
taken
my Lord.
money from the government.
Lord, decorator, my Lord, we shall intimate him. He will monitor it so that there cannot be any causing of damage
Now,
and
Mr.
everything
Banerjee, tell
like
me,
that.
you have received the government money for holding puja?
Yes, my Lord. 85,000.
You have received.
Yes.
Then they will be at fault.
Lordship, kindly
They will exploit it.
decide it on merit, Lordship.
You may ask for the accounts where you have spent it. So I'm not passing any order. Monday it will be in the list. Today you visit the place. Mr. Banerjee, ask your client to cooperate with him. You will find out the place. You will measure it. You will disclose and the not their version, the person employed for putting up the pandal, the electricity, whoever, make them clearly understand. On Dashami day, Ekadashi, there will be no structure. They are personally liable to remove, not the members of the club. If they want to give the contract would be on Ekadashi, you will be removed it.
Lordship, after that, it will be amount to contempt.
Of course, that is why they have been entangled
Not
on
only
that.
one indulgence, my Lord, because
You want to perform puja, you just
In
chase
this-
the Brahman.
that
I'm
is
not
right.
asking the Brahman to give affidavit.
Yes, my Lord, only one thing. My Lord, in this year, my Lord, Nobumi and Dosumi on the same day, that is third day.
On Ekadashi day,
And nobody, my Lord, on the Dosumi day, my Lord, the Akadoshi day. But on Dosumi day, my Lord, nobody will
submerge maybe. Very well.
immerse the
You just
Therefore,
fixed
that-
up
That day
You
may
just
be
fixed
fixed,
up
my lord.
what would be the dates
12,
there,
12, my lord.
when they will be making this pandal and other things, but get entangled the the electricity person, the decorator person, and make them understand. And I will be asking a report from you. Prepare the minutes with their signature.
Lordship, on Monday?
Monday, please do it by Monday. Monday, second half. We'll be getting rushed to the place today.
In the meantime, Lordship, my instruction is, Lordship, I will also take the instruction from my client.
Mhm.
In that case, since they have, this right has been
No,
accrued.
they are in not position. No right would be accrued to them.
Lordship, let me also take
Mr.
the
Banerjee,
instruction.
understand
What
what
is
is what.
instruction, my lord? I am giving an undertaking. I will not claim any equity. No right I am claiming for the purpose of performing puja.
Get a ready the affidavit. You make ready your affidavit. You make the affidavit ready. In the meantime, Sayan Banerjee will visit the place and will submit a report before we make it clear. The undertaking is undertaking. It is not the undertaking of the club member, undertaking of the owner of the decorator, undertaking of the lightman, all of them. And the local police station would be directed to render assistance to Mr. Bell.
Lord, we are the class members, Lord. We have to give an undertaking. If
Of course.
I ask undertaking from decorator will not come. Lord, we shall be in difficulty.
No
But Lord, we are getting.
You are in difficulty. Since you are talking about performing a puja, I do not want to restrict you because it will not give you any equity. Supposing there is no suit, nothing. A club is organizing a puja in a place over which Mr. Chatterjee's client is the owner. If he gives permission, and I will be recording that on the permission of the defendant you are doing it.
Yes, Lordship, whatever your Lordship records, I don't mind. Lord, it is a public sentiment.
Mr. Chatterjee,
Lord,
have
it
you-
is a
have you
public sentiment and
Have
Mr.
you
Chatterjee will be
What stake
will
he
be
has?
difficulty.
How far? The club is how far from his house?
This is
Oh,
away
অনেক
from
দূরে,
his house.
I
It's
don't
in
know,
Andu.
because he's saying on the permission that is also agreeable. So, Monday, 2 p.m.